Alt-R. The Tech Vision Difference.
Hi everyone, Dr. Robinson here with another tech lesson. And this lesson is not just for blind students, but any child who has difficulties reading, maybe understanding more mechanical voices. And this is how you can take them into Immersive Reader. Firefox has Immersive Reader, as does Edge. I have downloaded Immersive Reader onto my computer, so I don't have to use the internet for it. So I'm just going to show this to you quickly. I've opened a document in Word, and all I'm going to do is select it all, copy it. I'm going to open OneNote, and actually I think I may have it already open. And then I'm going to create a new document, paste it in, and go through Immersive Reader so you can have more of a human voice. Okay, here we go. So Control A, and I do have JAWS working. This would work with NVDA also.
3356 characters. Copied.
Copy.
Cortana, E, OneDrive app. Press right to switch. Find results in app. OneNote for Windows 10. Enter. OneNote for Windows 10. OneNote for Windows 10. Tree view. To move through or expand items, use the arrow keys. Current.
Okay, I'm going to do a Control N. You can, if those who are visual can already see, I've done this once. I'm going to
Control N. New page added. Page title. Pasted. Paste completed. Content block 1 of 1.
You do not need to put a title there. You can if you want. I'm going to go up to the View menu into Immersive Reader. Now, it doesn't have the hotkey commands like other Microsoft products, so you're going to have to right arrow.
Ribbon tab, home tab, insert tab, draw tab, view tab, to switch pages, press Control page down.
And then down arrow.
Lower ribbon, window, new window, Immersive Reader button to activate,
right
press
arrow,
space bar.
Immersive Reader, and enter.
Enter, preview to move through or expand. HTTPS learning tools on it.
Open it in a browser window. Okay, this is in HTML. So what I'm going to do is suspend JAWS with insert space S because it is on the play button, and as all you have to do is hit space bar. So I'm going to insert space S, suspend my
speech on demand,
and then I'm going to hit space bar just to start reading it.
The Tech Vision Difference. Helping the blind see their world changed through technology. To whom it may concern.
Okay.
Thank you for your inquiry on learning about the Tech Vision Difference. In giving
So I'm just going to hit spacebar to stop him from talking. Now, if I tabbed one time, I could go to my settings. I can change the speed of this. I can change my voices. If this is low vision, you can continue to tab around. It has different highlights. So if this is a child with a learning disability, you could choose yellow background with thick black font if you wanted to, if the child wants to read it. But more than anything, any child with any type of learning or reading difficulties, this is a really phenomenal option. Okay, so that is how you do Immersive Reader directly on the computer.